Hi! Samahan niyo akong mag-unboxing. Dumating na yung order ko galing sa Wii. At tingnan niyo. Oh my God. Ang palaya. Sobrang fresh na fresh. At meron akong talbos ng kamote. Tingnan niyo. Napaka-fresh. My husband said it's fresh. Right, honey?
Fresher than the market.
Yeah. And this one is the frozen stuff. So open this. Smoothie, stop it. Tada! Of course, nag-stock up ako ng saging. Tatlong pack to. Namana. At mayroon akong frozen na banana blossom or puso ng saging. Gagawa ako ng ginataan. With talbos ng kamote. At meron ako dong back ribs. Gravy back ribs. Gagataan natin. At meron akong pork blood. Kasi plano kong I have pork blood because I'm thinking I'm gonna make
Good for you. Good for you.
pork blood. You eat the pork blood, right? We didn't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I ordered the Prada again. That you like it. See?
Oh yeah. You get some coconut?
I ordered two, and I have your buko pie, of course. See? That's I
Trying to get
ordered.
that again, dude.
Yun lang.